guys, right now we are stuck in a traffic, as you see. Lots of traffic. And we are going now to Ajay Bhai's friend's marriage. So yeah, meet you there. So guys, just now came out from the marriage hall, and now we are going to some other sites, other places to see. So you're coming along with me. Bye bye.
But if you come in the evening times here,
Yeah.
this entire road will be fully crowded, man. Due to it's summer and it's too hot.
Yeah, it's
people are
too
not,
hot today,
people
but
are not here now. Still, you see some people walking around there. But in the evening, it will be like little fun.
It's a rock beach, right?
You see the buildings, right?
Yeah.
All these buildings are constructed during French time.
French time.
Yeah.
Did French also came here?
Yeah, French place this is.
I thought
This
only
is the French.
I thought only British came to our
No.
country. French also came.
Pondicherry belongs to French. If you born in Pondicherry,
Yeah.
by default you have a France citizenship.
Okay, the Pondicherry belongs to French.
Yeah. Not
Oh.
belongs.
No, so like
was ruled
it was
by-
ruled by.
It was ruled
Okay.
by French people only. So by default, all the Pondicherrian people have the French citizenship. They can opt and they can go to France.
Okay, that thing I didn't know. That thing I know today.
So you see the flag there, no?
Yeah.
So that is where they barricaded all the road. That is the chief minister office, secretary. We'll go that way. We'll see that.
Okay. So it's the rock beach, by the
Yeah.
way.
So before and all, they used to allow people to go till the last.
Hmm.
So later, due to some incidents, no, they're not allowing anyone to go till last nowadays. You can walk here. So this is a beautiful restaurant. See, now we came close to ocean. Now we are not feeling that much hot now. See,
Yeah.
Because the cold season.
So that's our Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah.
Garden, bro. So guys, this is the rock beach. If you visit Pondi, you should visit there. Here.
Yeah.
And at evening time mostly. You will see lots of people in this path. But no bikes
So-
and cars allowed.
This is the government office.
GST Bhavan.
Yeah. This custom office, no? Custom
Yeah,
income
yeah.
tax. Those things. GST Bhavan is here.
My god, the custom office looks like that. Some
See,
museum type.
all these buildings are constructed during the French time. French. This is a French colony actually. French people were staying here for a very long time.
Then why they left? Because we made them left.
No, there are still people brought up here, French people.
I love the Gandhi statue. Yeah.
A little bit. Yeah, we'll go.
From there, no? They are going to that little front.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go there.
So beautiful the plants are planted, na?
So well maintained, no?
Yeah.
My god, this place looks amazing. So hi guys, now we are in the Rock Beach, and so you see that this is the public toilet behind me. Like okay, I'll take you a little bit near. It's like it's the finest public toilet. Okay, it's like so clean and so well maintained. And so here is a park over there, and now we are coming to that GMT ice cream parlor, which is on Italian based concept will be. So yeah, this is the ice cream parlor. So this is the ice cream, full of, like, you will get maximum so much of varieties over there. And that is that Irish cream, milk plus egg and Irish whiskey. So sir, like, you will put actual whiskey over there. Okay, that's great. That sounds interesting. And it will get so much of variety. So bro, like, what you are gonna order?
So I'm going to order my favorite brownie ice cream. So what do you want to order?
I'll have this Irish cream.
So you want to drink Irish whiskey?
Yeah. So this is the Irish ice cream, and this is the brownie. So yeah, after eating this, I'll tell you how is it. Till now, no review, nothing. Yeah. So guys, just now I had Irish whiskey ice cream over here. It was nice. This was very nice, and the brownie also is very nice. So you should, like, if you're coming in the Rock Beach, then you should come over here and try the ice cream. It's really very nice. And yeah, I know, आज मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही अंग्रेजी झाड़ दिया, हिंदी में कुछ बात ही नहीं करा मैंने. So leave it, बाद में कभी करेंगे. So guys, is this the French War Memorial, just opposite to the Rock Beach. Here is the beach, and here is this, the French War Memorial. Full description will give by Ajay Bhai. Hi, come on.
So French people had a war during 1914 to 1918. So during that war, few French colony people, French soldiers were died in the war. So as a memorial, as a tribute to them, French people built this beautiful memorial. So once you come to Rock Beach, these are the places you should mandatorily visit. Let's go.
So guys, this is how the French colony looks like this. The houses are built in the French type. Yeah. So
So Dev is gonna try the full jar.
Yeah, which is opposite to the rock beach, just near to the
Yeah.
rock beach.
Dev.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Damn. Ah.
How's it, Dev?
Yeah, it's amazing. But it's too much of soda, no?
Yeah, soda.
Yeah.
நான் ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிற மாதிரி போட்டு தரேன்
Hmm.
என்னென்ன என்னெல்லாம் வரேன்
Vlog எடுக்கிறோம்.
ஓகேண்ணா யூடியூப் ஆண்ணா
ஆ.
சேனல் பேர் என்ன
Journey with Dev.
ஜோனி வித் தேவ்
Dev.
யார் பேர் என்ன தேவ்
Do you have it?
I love, yeah.
But it's nice. You must have tried. It's very, very nice. No, you can't do this. No, you can't do this.
Chili actually.
Yeah, spicy. This is spicy. So guys, yeah, that's it for Pondi vlog. So I just missed one thing to show you that Aru Valley something is that. So we guys are totally exhausted. So like we didn't vlog, and the GoPro also got discharged by then. So just now I charged it. So now we are going via Dindivanam road to Chennai.